Alright everyone, just after I reinstall my Apache today, and I got a problem, and my problem is, look, after I install everything and set up everything, I believe I did it, but it's really not. So let's take a look here. This is my project here on my machine. So what's the problem I found here? I cannot go to another section because it say the request URL is not found on this server. So what happened after I do a little bit of the research is because I did not enable the mod rewrite on the Apache. So let's see, this is the proof. If I put index in here, index.php, and I enter, so you can see that I can enter my in products page, but it do need the index.php in here, which is I already removed it out from the my script file on the PHP on the CodeIgniter. Anyway, let's see the way that I fix this one. Number one, we need to do enable the mod rewrite. So by doing open up your console, actually terminal, sorry for those gecko, I love that sexy sound. Okay, so sudo bash and then enter your password. So the next command you're gonna go is a2 nmod and then rewrite to enable Apache mod rewrite. So now the other one is service apache to restart. You need to restart this service. Okay, that cool. Is it coming back? Now let's prove. I go to home and I go to product. It not come yet. Why is that? Well, because you not finished the other configs. The other one you have to do is to config Apache config file. Okay, let's go to the terminal again, and right now go to cd etc and Apache 2. Okay, and then so we need to config this file apache2.config. so vi apache 2. Okay, then open it up. All right. The line that you have to config is just by I use vi here, so you can use nano you would like to, whatever the text editor you want to use it, just really a text editor. So you have to go to directory, and at the directory text section here you go to var www, then you have to change allow override or allow override from none to all. So on the line 155, just change from allow override none to all, then press the escape key :WQ to save and quit the program. So as the terminal back here again, just run service apache 2 restart, then hit enter. Now I hope everything will be backfired. Come back. Yes, it's working. Alright, cool. Just leave a very quick note. Right now I can do my project again, and it seems to be working good. Now let's see if I can log in here to my system. Okay, log in. Great, working good. Okay, all right, so working fine now. So all I have to do is just back up and upload this up again, just in case that I ruin my system by accidentally again. So all right guys, thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.